Welcome to How to Use Research Assistant. The Research Assistant tool allows you to search using research questions and helps you find what you are looking for in your own words. The Research Assistant is useful for quick searches and can be a good starting point for beginning your research on a topic. To begin any search, make sure that you are logged in to your account at library.search.uakron.edu. Our How to Log In tutorial is available for sign-in instructions. You want to click on the Research Assistant button, and you'll be directed to a pop-up window where you can enter your research question. It is important to provide clear and detailed questions to get the best results. So let's begin with, how are polymers used in art conservation? You'll then want to click Search to view the search results. Here are the results of our search. You may want to narrow your search using the filters available online and or peer-reviewed journals located at the bottom of the search bar. Additional filters are available by clicking on the All Filters menu on the left side of the screen. From this menu, you have options to limit the search by type and date range. Remember to click on Apply Filters to view the narrowed search results. And congratulations, you now know how to use Research Assistant. It may be beneficial to also view our What Research Assistant Can and Cannot Do tutorial for more information about the limitations of the Research Assistant.